Happy birthday, baby, ho. One more year, ho. Your birthday candle make a lovely light, but not as bright as your eyes tonight. As your eyes tonight. Blow out the candle, make your wish come true, for we love to be with you, 'cause we love you so, 'cause we love you so.
Oh yeah, wait a minute, it's your birthday. Wait, it's your birthday.
It's your birthday, look and see.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a dance and a big party. It's your birthday, let's have fun.
Come on now.
We'll celebrate till the day is done.
Happy Groovy here.
You waited here for this very day to celebrate in a special way. It's your birthday, let's have fun. You celebrate till the day is done. Oh, it's your birthday. Oh yeah.
Let's have a dance and a big party. It's your birthday, let's have fun.
Come on now.
We'll celebrate till the day is done.
Greetings, Rock Afire fans. I'm Duke LaRue, and at this time, I'd like to introduce our birthday host himself, Billy Bob.
Thank you, Duke. You know, folks, one of our favorite traditions here at Showbiz Pizza Place is celebrating birthdays. And whenever one of our friends is having a birthday, we love to send out our best wishes with a song. Ain't that right, Looney Bird?
That's right, Billy Bob. And I got the refreshments in my barrel.
Now, I don't believe corn squeezins goes too good with pizza, Looney Bird.
Well, maybe not, but it sure beats anchovies.
We're having a party.
Don't you like the party too?
Aren't you itching to get started?
It's time to sing away the blues.
We want you all to gather round and celebrate our happy sounds. Just let the music take you right along. So come on, everybody, join me in the Looney Bird.